Hoorah, students! Sam Kim here, your Marine Corps veteran who's battled the VA trenches from 0 to 100%. Welcome to day 4 of the VA Claims Bootcamp, the day we breathe life into your claim and turn it from a stack of forms into a compelling story that demands approval. As you dive into these lessons, we're shifting to the why and the how, crafting compelling personal statements that speak directly to the VA rater, filling in the gaps that medical records can't. We'll also cover powerhouse backups like lay witness buddy statements to corroborate your story, and specialized forms for PTSD stressors, including those for military sexual trauma or personal assault. This is your testimony, your truth, transforming you from a case number into a veteran with a voice. Skip this and your claim stays cold and deniable. Nail it and watch your approvals accelerate. Why is this step mission critical? VA raters sift through impersonal docs all day. Diagnosis, service records, treatment notes. They need the bridge. How did the service cause this? Your statements via Form 21-4138, Statement in Support of Claim, connects these dots, answering the question, what was your health like before? What specific in-service event triggered it? How does it wreck your life now? Done right is the tipping point of denial to approved, especially for undocumented or circumstantial cases. We're building on our winning formula, in-service event plus diagnosis plus treatment history plus Nexus, but now with your raw, factual narrative to make it undeniable. For PTSD MST, the specialized form VA Form 21-0781 details stressors, lay witness statements, and crucial eyewitness reinforcement, turning he said into we saw. Your objectives: craft one powerful personal statement per condition, primaries, secondaries, PACT presumptives, bolster with lay witness statements from buddies and family. PTSD, including MST, complete the stressor form. Use them to humanize your claim, strengthen nexuses, and highlight impacts for higher ratings. This seals your package for submission, avoiding common pitfalls like vague stories or missing details. Mission phases in action. Phase 1, gear up. Download and grab the essentials. Download the Form 21-4138 from va.gov for personal statements. VA Form 21-10210 for lay witness statements, and VA Form 21-078 for PTSD stressors, covers, MST, personal assaults. Print out your Day 3 worksheets and brainstorming worksheets ready. Have your Day 3 forms and brainstorming worksheets ready. These will help you gather your before, during, and after details. If digital, use a PDF editor. If printing, black pen for clarity. Phase 2, the why. Understand the purpose. Follow the module videos for guided overviews. Your statement isn't a rant or a novel. It's a transparent, concise bridge for the rater, establishing service connection by painting the whole picture. Healthy baseline pre-service, the exact in-service trigger with specifics like dates, locations, and witnesses, and ongoing symptoms impacts daily life, work, family. This overcomes gaps in records, especially for unreported events, and boosts rating by showing severity. For example, I can't lift my kids due to back spasms leading to depression. Lay witness statements corroborated via observations, i.e. I saw the injury happen, are crucial under 38 CFR sections 3.303, section 3.304. For PTSD MST, detailed stressors and behavioral markers are needed to prove the nexus without direct records. Phase 3, the how, step-by-step walkthrough and 3-part winning formula. We'll demo crafting statements form box by box, pulling from your worksheet. For personal statements, VA Form 21-4138, structure with this robust formula. Introduction. State the claim clearly. This statement supports my claim for service connection for lower back pain. The before picture established baseline health, i.e. before enlisting, I was an active runner with no back pain issues or family history of spinal problems. The in-service event. The during. Detail the trigger specifically. Who, what, where, when, how. In July 2007, during a training exercise in Camp Pendleton, I fell from a 10-foot obstacle while carrying 80 pounds of gear, twisting my back. I reported to the medic, Corman Ramirez, who noted it and prescribed the rest and pain meds. The after picture. Describe progression and current impacts, i.e. symptoms escalated to chronic pain, radiating down my legs, limiting me to 15 minutes of standing. This affects my job as a mechanic, causing missed work and strained relationships. I've started therapy for related anxiety. Be factual, avoid exaggeration, VA spots it, and tie it to evidence, i.e. reference and DD 214 dates, or treatment logs, or in service treatment records. For secondaries, my service-connected knee injury altered my gait, confirmed by my recent MRI. For PTSD or presumptives, highlight stressors exposures with timelines. Phase 4, your easy button. The kick butt templates and exercises, no blank page paralysis. Download the kick butt personal statement template, lay witness template, and PTSD events template from the module. Exercise, select one condition, provide details, and refine it. Repeat it for all. Tinnitus, pre-service perfect hearing, in-service artillery blast, now constant ringing disrupts sleep. For PTSD MST, include markers and witnesses. Audit for clarity. Does it connect to the service? Show impact, flag weak spots, and bolster with lay statements. So here are the specific examples of winning statements. Documented back injury, easy approval. Before, healthy athlete. During, IED hit in Afghanistan 2012. Medevac, lay witness, buddy saw the blast. After, sciatica, limits driving, secondary to depression meds. Undocumented PTSD or MST. Before, stable mentality. During, unprecedented, unreported assault in the barracks around 2009, witnessed by roommate, lay statement attached. After, nightmares, isolation, impacts on family life and work. Therapy ongoing, behavioral markers like withdrawal. Secondary migraines. Before, no headache. During, tied to primary tinnitus from MOS. After, weekly attacks cause missed delays. Affects promotion chances. Lay witness, family notice increased instability. Family notice increased irritability. This transforms flimsy into ironclad, leveraging 38 CFR sections such as Section 3.303, Service Connection, and 3.304, Continuity, PTSD. Phase 5, double check, attach, and submission prep review. Formula covered, factual and concise, 1 to 2 pages max. Attach your Day 3 form with this evidence. We'll tease submission options, va.gov, upload for tracking, mail, or fax backups. Scan into PDF for tomorrow's final fire. Scan into PDF for prepping for uploading into the va.gov website. Immediate next steps. Access Day 4 modules, videos for full demos, and template downloads. Start with your top condition, pause videos to fill in real time. If stuck, revisit Day 3 audits or hit the forum. Personalized support. Text call 949-315-6550, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is a veteran business. This is a veteran-owned business. Nexus letters, fully developed claims, filing help. I could do it all for you. This is your story. Own it, tell it, and get paid. Let's give your claim the soul it needs to triumph. Ura Sam Kim, Marine Corps veteran. Until next time, and I'll see you in the next lesson.